the new recommendations when it comes to COVID booster shots.
Yeah, anyone who received the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine should now plan to get a booster shot 8 months after their second dose. The FDA still needs to review the plan, but those third doses could begin in about a month.
As THV11's Mercedes McKay shows us, the announcement comes as local pharmacies here are reopening vaccine clinics to keep up with the recent surge.
Doctor's Orders Pharmacy in Pine Bluff closed down their vaccine clinic at the beginning of June, but on Wednesday reopened it to keep up with the demand. In the first 2.5 hours of opening, they already gave out 21 vaccines.
Last week, our slowest day was 175 vaccines, and our busiest day last week was 225.
Leland Stice says that's a jump up from the average 20 shots a day his pharmacy was giving 6 weeks ago.
We're taking the vaccines and the COVID testing, and we're going to move it back down to the clinic where we can handle that separately from filling prescriptions.
You might think this boost in vaccinations is due to the FDA recently approving booster shots for the immunocompromised. But Stice says that's only a small portion of the people coming in to get their shot.
Uptick has been, I think, primarily because the Delta variant has been so prevalent in Arkansas.
While the Pine Bluff Pharmacy is welcoming people back into their clinic, Kavanaugh Pharmacy in Little Rock still has the close sign on their door. But owner Ann Pace says that won't be for long.
Just discussions yesterday, we have decided that we will be reopening our vaccine center early in September.
Pace says that will give them time to prepare for when booster shots do begin, since right now pharmacy hours have already been extended due to the increase.
We've probably gone from maybe 20 to 25 shots a day to probably almost 50 or so we've doubled in number, and that's not necessarily as many that are wanted. It's how much we can handle at this point.
Handling the vaccine clinic also means more staff and volunteers are needed. But Pace believes that's not where they'll go empty-handed.
When we closed the vaccine center, it was a very emotional day for a lot of people, and they were just very sad. And so already I've started to get some calls.
Mercedes McKay, THV 11 News.
Thanks so much, Mercedes. Now to the newest numbers from the Department of Health. More than 2,600 new cases have been added to the state's total. Over 23,000 cases are active tonight. Now to our vaccinations. Take a look at your screen. You can see here on the green line, the rate of people with at least one dose has been steadily climbing. As for doses given per day, the blue line, our peak of vaccinations were in the spring after the initial rollout, eventually dwindling closer to June and July.